Everybody, welcome back to Ages Armor. So today we have this Model S Tesla. It's a 2017, and as you can see, the paint has a lot of holograms all over the hood. And all the way down the side, on both sides of the vehicle. See how the paint kind of shifts. So just want to give you guys a quick walk around on this vehicle before we start our paint correction process, followed by our Ages Armor's 5-year coating. So stay tuned. A vehicle inspection on this Tesla Model S. Couple spots underneath the paint here. Some etching. The entire vehicle has micro scratches and swirling paint holograms. Some etching here. Bird dropping etch there. Holograms. Micro scratches and swirling. Pretty heavy scratch down the driver's side, rear quarter panel. Recording.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Ages Armors. I'm Sean. We've got Clovis behind the camera. Today we're looking at this 2017 Tesla Model S. And as you can tell, this is a gorgeous car with a nice paint job. So if you come around and take a look at the vehicle, we did a 2-stage paint correction this week, and that's going to be 1 stage forward and back, up and down, with a 50% overlap with a cut, and then another stage forward and back, up and down with a polish to make this look that good. And then after our polish and everything, we went over it with our Ages Armor's 5-year coating, give it this awesome gloss. And then yeah, we also got our Ages Armor's glass coating on here. And as you can tell, there's a lot of glass on this vehicle, so makes that look really good and gloss up a lot. And then finally, we came down here to our wheels and put our Ages Armor's wheel coating on there. It's extra durable coating just for the wheels so they can withstand heat cycles. And yeah, other than that, we got our Black Widow tire shine on these tires as well. And that's about it for this Tesla. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
Okay, what we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Ages Armor Foam Fury or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap, or a combination of the two. Apply it in a foam can over the top car, let it sit. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash in the vehicle using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Ages Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we get out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't, whether they're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you're looking to get on the schedule, we usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day.